Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Hello everybody. See my belly. Can you see that, guys? Oh yes, that is my tummy, guys. Wow, wow. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building, guys. Thank you for being there. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being there, guys. Oh yes, how do I look? How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? Oh yes, guys, how do I look, my beautiful people? Oh yes, how do I look? How do I look, my people? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, this Vera TV program in the building. So I thank you all, I appreciate you all. Thank you for being there. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for being there. Thank you very much. And please, my beautiful people, I greet you and appreciate you a lot. Thank you very, very much. So I'm your girl, Vera TV program. Sam. So the tea good. The man I go buy the tea. Man, the tea. I don't see my hands. I don't see. I don't as in. So guys, thank you very much. How do I look? Do I look beautiful? Do I look sweet? Do I look shine, guys? Oh yes, I think I look shine. Oh yes, guys. So thank you very much for being there, and thank you, my beautiful people. So please, if today is your first time, please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't fail to give thumbs up to this video and drop your opinion, guys. Try and drop your opinion. So my beautiful people, what do you want to talk about today, my beautiful people? Now wait till be say about Esther. So my beautiful people, I know say me, I'm a type of person. I know they quit the verse for person. So fine, Esther, if you say I don't get topic, now you get topic. So thank God that me never use people video to fool my channel. Yes, I'm talking is my content. People video when you they can record, they analyze. You forget saying that people matter. And you forget say we the presenter when not they do well, we self now still human being. Now we all those fool for they get her wrong. People matter when you dey carry record, they analyze, they naked, they fuck small pikin. Now so that one come thief, you go carry a celebrity shit, you carry a celebrity piece, you carry am. You no go let them rest and they get their YouTube channel and their page. When they for do am, for they for still dey use and make money, now go run, go down, and go carry. I'm not that type. I'm me. I'm not the social media. Whoa, I carry and put for head. Me, how many days now? You relax my head because not be affected the eat, not be affected the feed. So from 1 week, I go dey my house. People say we call even the cause. Vera will not see you. I just relax. I just dey because I know say not be waiting e be say I not work now. Government go call, they ask me say your task, or one person call, they force me even work with government. If you not go, they want the beat person put. Talk less of YouTube channel where be say now maybe the CEO, now maybe the boss lady, boss lady now my own. So anytime I like, I feel like so. Esther, me and you not be the same when it be say you say that you be CEO of your YouTube, but you don't have rest. Yes, you don't get rest. And let me tell you, the video I did only where me and you go forget problem when you leave my Monica alone. If you say I carry my Monica matter for head, very good. I carry for head. Because this of recent, wetin make me vex? You don't feel they do a long time ago. Wetin make me vex this of recent? Now you use your hand upload video. Fine, me and you know the quarrel. Esther talk show. Me and not talk say me and you feel the quarrel. We get well for meet each other. No. When you they say me give me fan, me not get fans. My fans don't tired about me. Let me tell you. Even if I not get with I can't talk, I not gonna talk of person matter, I not gonna talk of any matter when I talk, even though na person matter, you know the gossip. Now me no want talk of voice as the gossip people by myself. I'll bring a call public or talk on the way it be. And my content be that if you don't know. If you don't know, not be bad. You say, I dey cook, I dey do this, be content. Because before you start to cook that food, the other people don't do when you don't carry first class of that food. No content when you want bring, when you both never get, or when black people, when you go school, never bring come outside. Or nothing when you want bring, come talk when they never felt here before. Except you never felt wakari, and make it be say go be your first time when you take here. So my dear, what will be your content? Monica. So make I tell you, what it go shock you. As you talk, me and you not get problem, start talk show. Me and you not really get problem. You say you give me fans, even though me not do anything. If I enter my YouTube channel, I see they get view pass you. If you see sorry there's the matter, see the work cannot be saga, say me see they analyze this matter. I still see get view pass you. And now you bring the audio replay. If now my audio come out like that, I publish audio of my own. 1,000 go come view me. If you don't know, make I tell you the difference. Esther talk show. If na me, na I thought say ekia we heregbe. Na me talking to my man and they come plan for me. If when me they go they wait. Make me enter live. You know, see the one they do last year match. People were waiting for almost 1,000 were watching. If na me use my hand say ekia we heregbe when I do live. The day when me go enter, I go put 2 days before I go enter. If I enter, I go reach 1,005 viewers. How much more? My man called the talk say your toto they smell. You be a shower no mama. I come by myself upload that kind of video. If you don't know the difference, now they tell you so. Me you know say me and you not be made for view. Either saga, either talk or no saga or no saga. It mean you now you still get the matter now. 300 not still wash you. If people don't know, make they give you the sense. Now you still use your hand upload the video. Now you see the chat. If now me use my hand upload such video, then I can't enter live video. I want talk. 1,000 go start. They will just stand. They wait for me. Even though me you put that thumbnails. If I you put that thumbnails bang like this, though, they don't date my back. They wait sis. As they see that thumbnails, Vera go soon enter live. They go dead there. They watch me. They wait for me. If you don't know, make I tell you. You know where you for the error, you think they insult for live video, they cause people children. And if you don't see who go tell you that, it's very bad. And if you leave money can matter for waste. I don't have problem with you. Money cannot really get what you do. The video where the person call me, they explain the video for me. One lady calls you. He called, they ask you, say, this of free cent now, this one will go on now. What did Mommy can do? You don't see better answer. You are still beating around the bush. You don't have points. Me go call that video. If I bring person matter, call me see say the day I get when they talk. So he do video. I'll go bring 2 points. At that 2 points, if I analyze that, people go get brain. People go understand where the talk they go. Now be gift from God. If I bring 2 words out of what she do, if I call talker for my program, people go the points when it really good. I go break a mat. People go understand what they talk. Okay, you now they called you on that live video. They say, waiting, Mommy Monica do this of recent. You talk, go here. You talk, go here. You talk, go. It don't make sense. You don't see better what to say. My mama. Okay, waiting do me of recent. When maybe call the cousin and the children and you ask. Okay, and see what she just do me. Oh, see, I just sit there on my own. See, she just come they insult me. See the video when she tell insult me. I go send her give you for WhatsApp. That is how normal human being as in how new normal human being they talk. The lady now they ask us, okay, this of free what did she can still do again? Now so you can't upload video. Now so one woman can't call you. Say me you can't remove the video. You don't remove her. The same woman cause he come on go come on Monica. You did that, you can't say the same woman I come on go come on Monica. Okay, if not be fool, Mumu they worry you. Wait till make you go to play the video. If now where you, I want use that one to make view. I not go play. You don't make her say you don't get sense. You don't get brain. If I were you, when my Monica say, I get out the one I want to play for my talk show, for my pay show, I mean on my pay show. You know maybe you are go relax. When I not say that video, I don't go come out. I go look whether on my video she want go play for talk show. And if you plan not before me to call it sort of, I go say give them 1 day. They go wait for me. When I go come outside, the people will come watch you. You don't get sense. You see not come out for live video. You don't get now. You don't know how to package. Who called the war? You could have allowed Monica play that record for page page. I be the caller. Then you even know whether your record she want play or not be your record. Now, do you think this matter when you call the Cosmo Monica now you right? You don't know say you wrong. You wrong. And this matter when people call the face sooner. Now let me want to talk to you, Esther. Now let me want to talk to you. When I come out day before yesterday, Esther not insult you. Esther not beside they fear you. Esther people don't they beg on your behalf. Because was your boy your one, he got fian way su boloko. You know why I go fian way now? Because of waiting you go they do go they cost me money. Can I maybe go back to rich boy? Because this of recent one, you don't see answer give say that so much money can cost you. She want play audio. You don't even know the type of audio she want to play. You just come out and be insulting you insulting yourself and your children. Because you full of insults. Okay, now when they occur tell you not to be your record she play for that pay show, what will you do? Wait till you go call if you come not be your record, she go play for that pay show. Wait till you go come do. Is that a good thing? Esther, not be say me and you the quarrel. You say you give me view, but Esther, who you give you? Esther, you forget say you don't enter YouTube before me. Even page, maybe na page I first you forget say YouTube. Now you first me enter YouTube. You forget say now you first me enter YouTube. Esther, not be saga you take come outside. Esther, you say Vera TV program, you saga take come outside. Never. When I come outside, I start with normal program and hook up. That the day now get where they talk, so now she can't confirm my trouble. You not deaf wig like this talking. You the Chris. They never bought that person go say make I leave it. They didn't get for when I mean no time they beat and put. Because the time when she was doing me more than get to 2 years, people deaf. They refuse to tell us this woman now no answer you. You don't go leave her. She can't go try me spiritual whether she go feel attack me. She turn snake. She won't come bite me. As she say I attack her. I almost kill her. Now you see say today, they don't. You know the answer. They don't get why she not the answer me. Which people last lady useless boy and they didn't who he never talk to because I defeat her for spiritual, physical. Still they beat her to she know why they beat her. After she insulted me, finish she called for spiritual. She won't go bite my enemy. She thought a big cobra be python. She won't come attack me, bites me. Nah, hola. As I see a man, I turn human being. I didn't again. Till today, she not fit. She called me, she won't go shook my enemy, make she bite my enemy. Now let me talk. Not see her like this, still talk. You the Chris. Why she not they say a reply to Vera? Make she try her. Say reply to Vera. They make her hear her. Make she sweat me go use her eye. They see. So Esther, let me tell you what you don't know. Fine, me and you not really get quarrel. You just say that me give you people come because of you get view. Esther, you get view. Your 2 YouTube channel. It reach my only 1 YouTube. And now you first me enter start YouTube. Your first YouTube, your 2 YouTube channel when you buy fake or call reduce. You forget say when you don't enter 500 and something for your Esther talk show, you don't take. Since last year, early last year, now you don't take 500 and something, be 600 for Esther talk show because of fake when you buy put or call reduce. You forget the time when you don't see, when you don't feel verify your this one, I call even they pity you. Esther, me cause for the video when I do them before yesterday. When you don't feel verify your YouTube channel, when I call even they pity you. I call even because of it, they call mama, this person ain't gonna be my weakness for your behalf. I call they call Mommy Shula. Then Mommy Shula call tell me, I say they help you do your first YouTube channel. I say they support you for our first YouTube channel. You eat belly food, they cost and they cost your husband. Go ask Mommy Shula whether I not beg on your behalf. Esther, I'm F your budget on not shook out for my mouth. Esther, when you not verify, you know how many times I call you, they ask you whether you don't feel verify, what you go do and what you don't go do. Esther, you not go talk all those one call. You say you send people when they call they subscribe. You get follower. When they call they subscribe, you get follower. Even though me your this YouTube now, I they play, they laugh. No, I know almost 100 go see they view me. 80 go see they view me. You see get saga 300 not view you. You think if na me get that saga 1,000 not go come view me. You think if na me guess I forget when my matter they rent that when I enter YouTube. When I no one even went when I enter 1,000 were watching me. Esther, where 400 for don't watch or 500 or 600. 700, 1,000 don't watch me, 700 don't watch me, 800 don't watch me, 600 don't watch me, 500. Which one you want to tell me? Esther, when you want to talk, you get follower reach me. Say yes, now they do. You understand? Many people then are prank of food that they do now. Many people then are that they open for us. Yes. If you don't like my saga when I do, since when I call a saga, get away. Because if they know they talk on go hard do not for a house, go they talk on another person own. People when they talk their matter, not be gossip when they gossip them. Esther, come on. You see people video for my wall. You don't see people video for my wall. Yes or no? You don't see people videos for my wall. You mean they can check your two YouTube channel. You get content now, they upload people video. There's one woman from UK where they do food competition. Go check her A from Z. Now her video. People where they say they get good content, where they get not be people where they put people video, they carry people topic. Okay? If na food you dey eat, you dey eat and they go. You get one woman where there, whether in America, the woman get twins. He married to you boy, get two twins, baby girl and boy. Now those one be people that say that they do content. They know they carry people videos. They know they carry people matter. Now even they buy pants, they'll cost one. If you get one woman for UK, she still born 2 girls and 1 boy of 3 cents. Now those one they'll say they get not all those are stupid and useless. One are full social media, they buy people video. God they punish all of them. One are they carry people video, they put for on a channel. Una content on say person not get content. When be say una video, no okay. If na talk you dey talk, why not they talk your matter every day? Mo no say na your content. Like this woman when I talk when you born baby, so the woman she's in UK. Either she buy something, you go do her hair, you go buy, you go take off the 2 children, you go play. Go check her video, no go see another person. She upload another person video. If she come outside, she go do video. If she take her, she go do her, she take cook, and she take give it 2 twins and a newborn baby food. Okay, there's still one woman that is in Italy. The woman they are from Nigeria, Igbo, husband and wife. Una go know them. They get 2 boys, 2 girls. The woman you born last year. If you dey cook, you go do it. If you do anything, you go do it. Go check her. You don't go see this thing. Today go do waist trainer. Tomorrow you and the children go they play. Next one go see say when the newborn. Now those one. If not be so, you dey carry people video they post and you say you get content, that will go kill you. If you dey carry people videos on your channel and you say you have content, you are very stupid. You don't have content. Now people when they get content, now they turn from don't know the meaning of content. Carrying on other people living your own matter in your house. Carry on other people matter they analyze. You know say na saga be that. If you don't know, maybe tell you. Carry on other people matter they analyze. Actress peace, they not peace where you quick go carry and call gossiper. You don't know say na gossip be that one. You don't know say na people matter you they talk. Carry your own they talk. And start you carry your matter come outside. So carry your toto come outside. Call the open now. I be never see people when they open toto when they say na toto. Like that girl when say na ojekia. When say na kia be linenimizi. Na content. You know why? Na a body say na a breast and nyash and toto a break also show me that. Those ones say yes. Na content be that. If you don't know what it be content, make I tell you now. Now a body she bring come outside. So when she come outside, she show her breast, she show now she they do. And what people know her put. My own now, if I see what you not do well, I go come outside, come analyze them. For people when they get out to know in case if you not they lie. Because you cannot be there talking on other people when you own the smell follows you. You cannot be there forming you are a presenter, you are a presenter, you are this, you are a Facebooker, you are a presenter, you are a YouTuber. When you own the smell, they follow you. Your man, they disgrace you, they go. You are the fool on yourself. And you will come outside and say, that man, what are you doing now? Good. When you're all the smell. So that is why I'm here to be telling you where una all for error. Now it be my work for this social media. Now my content, now it be that one. Anybody when I see, except Mommy Monica, now it come out. All of una una come and so una they carry on women. Una go see women. Una say they not they try. Una go they cause their husband. Single mother when not they comfortable. Yeah, single mother. One na old don't born herself na single mother. Una go carry on frustration. Now they put for a single mother out there body. Una go carry on frustration. Now go put for husband and wife in the suffer they manage body. Una they use wash it till they wash them. Meanwhile the husband and wife and the single mother they are more better than many of you. That call una self presenter. And una not go come outside so na be single mother. Now even worse past the single mother out there. Una go come outside and say chico moja, then the fuck. Whereas now ain't was pass. But una don't want me to talk about now. Una like to talk about others. So I'm here to they bring una nyash come outside. Now it be my work. Yes, I'm the CEO of Vera TV program, Pursue the Enter House TV, and Vera Comedy TV. Esther, if you don't know, now me they tell you my work on social media. My work on social media is to disgrace you people that call yourself YouTuber and presenter. What I know they do well, what I want they put on a frustration for viewer body. They put on a frustration for people who can't subscribe to our channel. They use people like light and they paint them. When you know say that your house they show red, danger, you they paint people with danger and black. I'm here to analyze it. I'm here to talk on the way it be. You now, you are running enter and scatter. Okay, right now, my man did a video on his page. You went there and download it and put it on your YouTube. Is that your content? Esther Talk Show. My man do video for a page. You go there when he sit down for a side car. When he call the talk, they give message to people. Me, I don't feel use and make money. You ain't get content now. They talk about God punish you. When they talk on get content, oh, me will go kill you now. Una wanna call myself YouTuber, presenter on get content. You are born like babe. Many of you go there, go to Jennifer Collins. At the end of the get content. You are born like babe. Did you know the meaning of content? I just explained the meaning of content to Una. Not to carry people videos, be analyzing, put Maggie and salt, download pictures and write a heady put like light heady made it for washing. Is that not a scam? Is that not a scam? Wait till they don't even talk. They go add Maggie and salt, put me in view, and they take their money for YouTube. So what kind of content do you have? Content. When it be say you carry my man video put for your wall, now you say you get content. Me we supposed carry my man video put for my wall. Me I use a collect money because now my man now I do the video. I not put on. Then you go there, go download them for a page. You put them for your YouTube channel. I tell you yesterday, say, Esther, go and remove that video for your channel that you will receive strike. I don't tell my man. I tell you now. If I go find that video, I will settle that. Find her yesterday. I never get chance to find her for your 3 YouTube channel. Esther Family TV, Esther Talk Show, and Esther Nenemi. I don't tell you. Why I mean, if you know what is good for you, better just go and drop that video. Yeah, that video belongs to my man. Better go and drop it. Since una say una get content, una say una get content, una know they carry people videos. Content now waiting you feel create by yourself, right? Stupid and useless people they say they go school. Now backyard school they go. Content is a thing. They call my people. They come. They call my people. Okay. Content is a thing. Content. Why they call her content? Content now waiting you create by yourself. Content now waiting you feel do. As I take explain those women in UK and America and all. Now those one they create content too. Not be now one they call when they carry people video now they follow or present up social celebrity. Una go they follow them, go they follow them for nyash. The piece now quick go carry. The shit now quick go carry. No. You don't have content. You are like me as well. Yes, my own word be say me are the disgrace una. Yes, only my money cannot come out. Yes. Because before you say you work on the third person, first talk your own. So Esther, you say you get content. My man video day your work. Go bring your man on when he did my work. Go bring your man on when he did my work. Go bring your own videos when me download put for my wall. You see you? No. I know they carry. Now my content are the talk so if you don't know YouTube they pay put. You be fool. As I say YouTube now they use my channel play. That's why I talk because I don't buy fake view, I don't buy fake subscriber. Don't you know who subscribe by itself with different network and waiting machine? Waiting they use machine put for you don't say not be design. because now machine, but when they use person, when person subscribe, I said I network they subscribe. Now said YouTube value down one part one where you go put woo, and almost definitely go down. I don't know why. Your 2 YouTube channel now not reach my own, and I fake you see they spoil and Esther. A YouTube channel who wear viva. On my sorry mom, my big channel. My small YouTube channel, my this thing now portion and I mean not even serious, but I forgot past 300. My small one, they add all together. Your 2 never near, your 3 YouTube channel never near my own. You see, I have the gods and the mouth or the fake you see by. See, I have the gods and the mouth sitting they talk to me. Let me tell you, Esther. Me and you know the quarrel. What I just need to tell you, leave Monica alone. Just leave her, let her be. Me and you not really get waiting with a drag. Yes. We don't really get. The time when I help you, they call when you say you don't see your letter. I feel for you. When you say you don't see your go-go letter, I can't say my own don't come. Why your own don't come? I can't even they call you to even know because I know I be. The time when me never receive my know as it be. When you can say your own daughter, you know, Grison, I not call you Esther. Esther, me not call you, they check on you. Me not call you even they check on you. When you can't even take get herself, you not tell me now for now person can't even tell me say you don't see the this now you just suffer your bonjour. Now lie. I can't even because of it they call people. May they even help whether they get how you go to do this thing when they go quit take on. I can't even go call Mommy Shula. Mommy Shula will be my weakness. If it get one people, family, when I come for Italy, because of your go this thing when you not come, they ask whether I get us to go fit it one. This woman, Mommy Shula, that gonna be my weakness. Ask Mommy Shula, I was begging on your behalf. When that woman say, you they call someone, I call see your video, I call them and say, what did happen between us two? I say call you. I can say, what did happen between you and Mommy Shula? When I know they quarrel. Esther, not be so I tell you. I can say, no, they curse again. It's okay. I can say, come out. I can say, cat to call Mommy Shula. Mommy Shula will be my weakness. I can say, call down and say, Mom, I beg. When you and Esther, they quarrel, and not quarrel again, I beg. Now she call, they explain what you do her. Say your YouTube channel, and help you do everything, but at the end, if you want to curse, I not go look back. Say you curse, I not pay her, but you come and go, they curse your husband when you don't know one, no two. I got to the beg on your behalf, Esther. Ask Mommy Chula, what are they talk, so if not lie. I can't make you forget me, no answer you again, make you forget. Me not see call you Esther about Mommy Chula when I say I see video when you do when they insult Mommy Chula. I not tell call you Esther. When I say, what I tell you, I say you don't do more and not quarrel again. Don't be so I tell you. If me like quarrel, will I call you and call Mommy Chula? To even talk about your YouTube this thing to Mommy Chula. When Mommy Chula say shame, not let you tell her, say now she even they help you before. But what do you do and when the pain and you come and go they insult your husband? I like Esther. Esther, me and you don't really get quarrel. But when you do this on free site, invest more people say you see they cost my money because they cost the children. It doesn't make sense. You are a mother. And the first video when I do that first day, it might born when I not cost you. I just only use how you take the talk, take do comedy. I know insult your mama, go wash and well. I know insult your children. I know insult your mama, I know insult your husband, I know even insult you. I only your time say use your brain. If you know the social media problem is too much, relax a bit, take a sheep pill. Not be waiting I talk for that day first day video. You can't come outside day first day. You can't insult me. No swear, they swear for your mama, they swear for your papa, they swear for your children. Yesterday, you still come outside, and I can't reply you yesterday. Yesterday, still come outside, begin the course. I will rest my case here. Esther, I don't warn you now. People don't they call me, 3 people don't call me for your matter. They don't they beg me for your matter. Because you won't do now, they talk that, and then I get, boy, don't let me add you to them. Please, leave Monica alone. You say they fight for her, yes. If she offends you, you talk. I will see call her, tell her, say, Mommy, what is going to happen to you and Esther? She go explain. But she not get what she do you. Now it made me vex this time around. You see, say, don't they cause her, you see, say, I top it. But this officer one shock me. Say, you know, she's supposed to they cause this woman. She want play record, you don't know record when you want play. So you don't need to insult her. So now what I use on me when I call it use your the way they talk, they do comedy. I know insult you, they're not 10 bad word there. But you come outside to be insulting me. Esther, my trouble not good for body. I don't get work, not be trouble I they do. But now when you tell me, I tell you, now I go do you and now you go tire. Not be saga, me not they call her saga. You tell me, I tell you. One person and person they call the fight for, why they not they call her saga? So because I can't speak my voice out on social media and I be saga, no, I don't need that one. So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Please drop your opinion and drop your message here. Thank you. I'm about to go right now. Thank you. I love you all. I love you. God bless you. Please don't fail to subscribe. Please don't fail to give thumbs up to this video and drop your opinion and drop your comment about this video. Thank you. I'm about to go now. Bye bye.